Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Wednesday night, I believe, yes, and we're putting up the tree. We got these like snizzicles from BJ's. They actually smell really good. And we put them in the tree. Now I didn't want to bore you guys and make it long, but as you guys can see, I decorated the majority of the tree, honestly, and my brother did too. And if you saw the lights flickering, my mom was figuring out the light situation for the lights. So I initially just ended up putting majority of the balls, and then I'm putting the sensical thing. I thought I showed it to you guys. Anyway, this is the next day, and my mom actually gave me this because she had another one, so she gave it to me to put on my toilet. So it's a cute little snowman. So I'm going to put it on my toilet, and yeah, decorate my toilet because why not? We're in the holiday season. And I believe she got this from Temu, if I'm not mistaken. I already threw out the thing, so I can't tell you exactly what it is. But I'm pretty sure I could find it on Temu, though, and link it for you guys. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a really quick recap because I want to drop this December reset. Hopefully, if not Monday, then sometime next week. I don't know, because next week will be the last week of November, but I wanted to drop before December because I have a good feeling that I'm gonna have a couple of December things coming out for you guys. So I'm kind of like pre something. Also, if you have not already answered the poll, I mean, one of them was December reset so far. That's in the lead. But definitely go check out the poll because there are other content ideas that I might want to add for December. But if not, a lot of people are not feeling it, then I'm not going to add it. Number 2, thank you for all my new subscribers who have joined the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy what you see. I will be having travel vlogs though. I do have one for my last travel in July. You guys can check that out. I have a whole travel playlist if you're coming for that. Also, I do lifestyle vlogs. I do hair here and there, and I also do like beauty. So anyway, so last time I think I talked to you guys, we put up the tree yesterday because I told my family I told them to wait for me yesterday to put up the tree, and they did. So we did it yesterday, so that's done. I wanted to tackle a majority of like cleaning and like redoing stuff because I kind of wanted to be free. I'm not gonna lie, on Sunday. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything on Sunday. Probably it's just gonna be a lax day, to be honest. But I kind of wanted to be free on Sunday. And then aside from probably like just clean my bathroom, let's quickly recap on November. How did November go? So you guys know I talked about I started 75 soft. I'll be honest with you guys, I think, I don't know, I don't want to say I'm canceling the 75 soft, but there's definitely a lot of modifications that I've made. As far as the book, I'm gonna try to finish shooting it tonight. I didn't do it yesterday. I was gonna do it yesterday, but then I was so tired because I ended up doing another like TikTok idea that came on my mind. That's the thing, I have random blurts of ideas. And so I did that. So I didn't end up reading because by the time I was done editing and then filming that, I filmed and edited it all in the same night. I was like, I'm not doing anything else. So that's what initially happened. Sorry, I'm looking for the page where I actually wrote down, oh, here we go. I knew I wrote it in my notes to remember what I had. So just quickly going down the list. So growing subscribers, I grew a few, but I didn't get to the goal that I want to, but that's totally fine. TikTok, I think I did okay with the 2 low uploads. I can't check because this video vlog I'm actually filming on my phone this time and not on my camera, so I can't really tell you guys. But I did try to be consistent on TikTok. That I know. I did film though one time like 3 videos back to back, so I think I fulfilled it for sure. Next is events, fun events. Did I do any events this month? That I was gonna plan for tomorrow, but I switched the date. I wanted to initially cancel it because after I was like, why did I spend some money on it? But they wouldn't allow me to cancel. I hate things like that, and this is why like I'm gonna be more cautious when I buy certain stuff because some places they don't let you cancel, but you can refund. So I refunded it for another date for like January, and so Because I was like, tomorrow, that's a lie. One of the days I didn't go out. Like, after work, I went to Manhattan to shop for a few things. But I didn't really find much. But, I mean, that was the one day I guess I can consider. Or, like, I also that bunch into, like, self-care. I mean, not self-care. Like, having solo time with myself. So, I guess you can count that. Like, I walked in the city for, like, a couple of blocks. Yeah. Next was finish half of Atomic Habits. I'm actually more than halfway finished because of that 75-day challenge. That kind of, being on the 75-day challenge. Although this week, it kind of went out of wax. The only thing I would say that I did good with was the meals. Well, no, I take that back. It was so-so with the meals because some days I did bring food from home, but like I told you guys, I knew when Thanksgiving was going to come around, it was going to be a little finicky because, one, I had a potluck at my job on Monday. Then also today's Thanksgiving, but also within that, there's also like treats and stuff that have been brought. So then it's like all that stuff and then all that junk. And then of course, yes, I could have been like, no, don't have it. But I don't think I did too bad. Like, it was like the things that I was eating was like, you know, the mini, like I would take a mini chocolate, like one chocolate during lunch or something. So it wasn't like an over excessive like sugar rush. But I did have like maybe 2 Godiva, like the little chocolates or stuff like that, like yesterday, for example. But I brought lunch from home, though. I didn't go outside. So that was good. I think I only went outside once. Actually, no. This whole week, because I only worked for 3 days, I didn't go outside. I brought something from home. So I did good in that regards. It's just like the afternoon, like eating bad then. I don't remember. Like yesterday, I had Dunkin' for dinner, like, because I didn't know what else to eat. Food options by my house is very like limited, and like I said, like the salad place that I normally like to go, like they're slacking, so I don't even want to go to them anymore. So it's like my options are limited over here. But anyway, and then I said try the 75 challenge, and I just talked to you guys this week. I don't know, it's been at this point, like, again, it's not like this is some strict diet. I was never on a no strict thing. I'm just gonna do what I gotta do, and if I backtrack, fine, so be it. But I don't want to backtrack too much, if that makes sense. Exercise, I feel like I was saying before, I feel like I consider my walking up all those stairs every day, going to work, at work, walking multiple stairs as exercise, because like I said, one day I literally checked and I did like 40 plus minutes of exercise when I checked my phone of how long I had been walking. So that's why I kind of I don't press myself too much when it comes to working out. I will say though, I feel like if I would eat 100% healthier meals, that would just probably make me lose weight so much faster, even if I'm not on the gym. But I do like going to the gym, so I need to get back in the gym. I was supposed to get back in the gym on Sunday, and then it so happened this whole week went through and I didn't go at all. And I also wanted to work out last night, but that didn't happen either, because like I told you guys, I kind of ended up filming stuff, and then by the time I was done doing all that, and then also, yeah, one other thing that I didn't add here, but I think I did mention it in my November reset, was more paid collaborations. And yes, I am excited because I have had some paid collaborations. I'm actually working on some already for December, so we'll see how that goes through. But yeah, just know, sometimes you guys will see paid collaborations because I take a lot of time to create content, and people don't understand that if they're not a content creator, but it takes a lot of time to post and film all this content. So I'm really like thumbing on the nail now to make money off of what I'm doing, because it takes so much time and effort, especially as a full-time worker. Imagine not being a full-time worker. Now, I understand people who have their jobs, but even like with the job, sometimes with all the taxes that's taken out, I would love to have extra side money to do what I want. And that's really what I do with YouTube. YouTube is not only, but also I actually like creating content. So it's like a win-win situation at the same time. I like creating content, but I also like to be paid for when I need to be paid for it, because like literally like the time that I spent to edit some of these videos, you guys wouldn't even understand and comprehend unless you're a creator. It takes time. It takes a lot of time and energy to sit for hours and chop down a video that was an hour long sometimes to like 30 minutes or 25 minutes or even 20. So give us grace, and if you see a paid collaboration, give me a like on the video. You don't have to purchase it, but anything, a view, a like, a share would be much appreciated because it takes a lot of time. And yes, I do want to get paid for my work because I sit there for hours to film. Then I also have to edit, and I have to make sure that everything goes out how I want it to be, and thumbnails and music. There's so much stuff that people don't understand. You guys just see the video and plop. No, like there's a lot of behind the scenes that we have to do to get you the video. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that was it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do on these press-ons. Now I haven't done press-ons for a minute. I had been taking a break from press-ons, but these are the Barry by Marseille. If you know Marseille Martin, she was on like Blackish and other shows. She has her own nail care line. The first set that I had tried, somebody gifted it to me, a family member gifted it to me, but this set I actually bought myself. I bought a couple other sets from her on Amazon. They are $20, but I feel like they're affordable and they last long. Because my first set, I know for sure I had them like for 2.5 weeks, and I would have kept them longer, but I was ready to like take them off. So these are some that I feel like can last you like a good month, just like if you were to get an acrylic set done. And this is why I like them specifically, so I decided to go for those instead of my other like Temu nails this time around. Yes, they're a little longer. That's the only thing I was like so like here and there about, but it's all right. We already put them on, so we just gonna rock with it. So yeah, I did all my prep. My prep is always the same. I filed my nails. I didn't show you guys that part. I also did my cuticles. I don't think I showed you guys that part. I don't remember. And I used the alcohol pad. It comes with an alcohol pad, and she always comes with the cuticle pusher too to help you take them off when it's ready to take off. Now I'm going in with the glue. Like I will say, like I said, her glue is strong. If I find the video, I'll link it. When I went on vacation in July, those are the first set that I had from her, and they were like a pinkish floral set. Those lasted. I went on rides, I went on water rides, all this stuff, and none of them popped off. That's why I was legit shocked about them. So I'm expecting the same from these that I tried on. But this is a finished look of how they looked, and yeah. So now you guys are gonna see me in Marshalls. Now I was in Marshalls. I was looking for floss picks, and I don't know why I couldn't find them, because normally when I go in there I can find some, but all I could see was toothpaste, toothbrushes, no floss picks in sight, and it was driving me a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie, because that was on my list of something that I actually needed, especially because as an Invisalign where I'm constantly like flossing my teeth, I feel like, to floss, but it's all good. Anyway, I just said I'll just get it at my local 99-cent store since I couldn't find it in there. And then this is where the lip balm. Now I'm talking majority of this because of copyright. I don't know if I should get a lip scrub or oh, maybe this one, the 5-pack one. Yeah, you will see I turn off music in and out because I don't want copyright. They had like holiday music blasting in the Marshalls, and I don't want copyright. So and then this is just looking at lashes. I was just considering doing false lashes, but not these, the strips or something like that. But I haven't met, my sister knows how to do them, so, but they didn't have them here, so I have to get them somewhere else. So yeah, I use it a lot. I don't see anything that's
if you made chicken sandwiches, these would be good. They're like sausage.
You didn't even finish the thing we have.
I always wanted to know.
What else is here?
We're talking about aiolis and different types of aiolis, like your sandwiches.
What's an aioli?
It's like I learned about what an aioli is. It's like mayonnaise, but they put like special things in it to make it taste good. That's why this girl was like, I don't like mayo, but I like aioli. And then I was like, that's interesting.
I see to the little look. Oh, that's cute. So it comes with the
little spatulas. This one comes with little spatulas.
And then this one comes with pencils and stuff. Isn't that a Harry Potter one?
Yes.
And then it's $5.50.
But it just says Potter.
Once again, Marshall customers, don't forget to sign up for the TJH reward card and save 10%. That's right, 10% when approved. Please see eBree for further details. And as always, thank you for shopping at Marshalls, where you shop, spend, and save. Atención clientes de Marshalls, no olvide aplicar por la tarjeta TJX Rewards y ahorrar 10%. Y como siempre, gracias por comprar en Marshalls, donde compras, gastas y ahorras.
Now I quickly went to Bath Bodies. Now their music was way too loud, so I wasn't even gonna leave the sound in here. I just needed some hand soaps, honestly. I also got like this another one of those wall plugins. It's like a new one. They have vanilla Noel. I think I have somewhere else though. Yeah, I got a few soaps, and then I got those little mini sprays, and then I stopped at Tiger King. They always have good bubble tea and stuff like that because I was thirsty.